हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीवियस क्लास में मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था वेदर के बारे में, एलिमेंट ऑफ वेदर के बारे में. व्हाट इज वेदर? इट इज अ कंडीशन लाइक टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, सनराइज सनसेट, wind speed, wind direction at a particular place on a particular day. This all information we get for a particular place on particular date. That is called weather. The humidity, sunrise sunset, moonrise moonset, wind speed, wind direction, cloud condition, these all things are the element of the weather. Now today humidity also comes under that element of the weather. Today I will teach you that sun causes a change in the weather. Sun, you know that sun is the ultimate source of energy. What is sun? It is a huge gaseous ball and releasing tremendous amount of energy. It is a storehouse of the world for the energy. There is a fusion reaction is taking places inside the sun. Universe, that hydrogen gas fuses to form helium. During this process of fusion, tremendous amount of energy is released, which is not equatable with any other reactions. Now, children, so solar energy is responsible for all types of weather changes, all types of changing the weather and their elements. Now my topic is sun causes changes in the weather. Sun is a huge sphere of hot gases with a very high temperature. It is a source of heat and light on the earth. What are the sun causes? Sun causes a hot and cold weather condition. Hot and cold weather condition. Hot weather condition, cold weather condition, humid weather condition, humid weather condition, rainy weather and windy weather. Now let me discuss with that hot weather. Hot and cold weather. What happens? What is the hot and cold weather? The heat of the sun, see, heat of the sun is absorbed by every element available on the earth. Whether it is a tree, soil, river, pond, lake, ocean, everything absorbs the energy from the sun. Due to that reason, some of the energy are reflected back, few are absorbed. And these absorbed energy are radiated, which results in the hot condition of the weather. We feel that all around us is hot, and then we say that weather is hot. Now today's weather is hot, right? Today's weather temperature is more. Okay? If we oppositively, if we feel cold, there is a cloud, there is a cool air all around, temperature are less, then we say that today's weather is cool, right? This is your hot and cold weather. The heat of the sun is absorbed or reflected by the earth's surface, ocean and atmosphere. It gives the temperature of the day at any place. If the temperature around us is low, we say that cool weather. If the temperature around us is higher, then we say that it is hot weather. ठीक है बच्चों, अगला पॉइंट है हमारा ह्यूमिड वेदर. ए के बाद CAB combination humid weather. What actually happens when sun fall on the earth? It fall on the ocean also, it fall on the tree also, it fall on the soil also, it fall on the river also, it fall on the pond also. You know that everywhere on the earth water is there. These water, due to temperature from the earth, it evaporates. And evaporation taking places. What results? There is increase in water vapor in the atmosphere. And water vapor increases in the atmosphere. That results increase in humidity. What is humidity? Amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. So therefore, if you, the atmospheric condition here, atmospheric element, weather element, what happens? Due to increase in water vapor, humidity around the humidity of the earth increases, right? So my topic is humid weather. We see that when humidity is more, we feel that, we say that today's weather is humid. If humidity is less, we say that today's weather has less humidity. Okay. The sun causes the weather from the ocean to develop, to form the, to ocean to evaporate, to form the water vapor, and it rises to form the cloud. We say that weather is humid. Now today's third point, D, rainy weather. What happens? देखो बच्चों होता क्या है rainy weather? The water on the earth and everywhere on the earth, including the plants, they releases the vapor. These water vapor, due to rise in temperature, suddenly air get heated up. Air present, including the water vapor on the earth, get heated up. And then when air get heated up, it rises up, including water vapor, I say. When these rises up, these rises up and forms, water vapor is there. So these water vapor forms the cloud in the air. Now as this cloud moves in the air with the wind, when the cloud comes to the colder region, जहाँ temperature कम है, these cloud molecules, which is carrying the water vapor, condenses and forms the droplets. When water vapor is condensed and forms the droplet, what happens? It forms rain and come to the earth in the form of rain. So it is, we say that today's weather is rainy. Weather forecast today is a cloudiness in the northeast. It is raining in the west. Like this the weather report will come. It is a rainy weather. The water vapor forms cloud and it gets cooled and condenses. It comes to the earth in the form of rain. Now children, the last point, windy earth. Windy weather. What happens in the windy weather? Now how wind blows. How wind blows. What actually happens? The air around the earth, due to sunlight, solar energy, get heated up. This hot air suddenly rises. When hot air rises, leaving behind the low pressure zone. उसके पीछे लो प्रेशर जोन क्रिएट होता है. जैसे हम उठाते हैं ये उठ जाएगा. सडनली इतने एयर पूरे अर्थ का उठ जाएगा तो उसके नीचे लो प्रेशर जोन क्रिएट होगा. That low pressure zone is filled by the cool air from the side. So how it follows? If it is, see, imagine it is earth. मेरे हाथ के कर्व को देखो, ये earth. Air rises up, this air comes and rises up. Cool comes and rises up. Like this the air moves. The air, this air rises up, become lighter and moves. Again that hot air cool and come down. Again it fills the vacancy and rises up. Like this the wind blows. And that is called windy weather. ठीक है बच्चों, तो आज मैंने तुम्हें बताया है what sun causes. Sun causes the weather change and it affects all the elements of the weather. अगला टॉपिक आपको ये क्वेश्चन करना है, why the wind blows. Second question, question number 2. Why you say a rainy weather weather. Question number 3. What do you mean? What do you mean? Humid weather. What do you mean by humid weather? What do you mean by humid weather? Question number 4. Is sun affects the element of weather? Explain. So children, you are going to write all the question answer and explain the answer related to that. Coming class, we will be discussing that topic, elements of the weather. In elements of the weather, हमें पढ़ाना maximum and minimum temperature. What do you mean by the term? What do you mean by the term maximum and minimum temperature? The highest temperature recorded of a day is called maximum temperature, and the minimum temperature recorded in a day is called minimum temperature. Highest temperature, the maximum temperature recorded in a day are called maximum temperature. Generally, it is a maximum temperature is recorded in a day in a noon time, and minimum temperature is recorded in a day is in morning time. So, and these things are measured by maximum minimum thermometer. Maximum minimum thermometer. The temperature, maximum and minimum temperature is measured by maximum minimum thermometer. ठीक है? The device which is used and it is called maximum minimum thermometer. ठीक है? The minimum temperature of a particular day, generally it is recorded in the early in the morning. Maximum is recorded in the afternoon time. ठीक है? So maximum minimum temperature. What do you mean by एक और क्वेश्चन लिख लो. What do you mean by the term maximum minimum temperature? Fourth, fifth number question. What do you mean by maximum minimum temperature? बच्चों ये पांचों आंसर करना है. ठीक है? Question number 4, question number 3, question number 2, question number 1, question number 5. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next class.